Right now, people all over the world are using artificial intelligence to earn, create, and solve problems faster than ever before. Not because they are programmers, not because they are tech experts, but because they understand how to use the tools available to them. Break the myth. One of the biggest misconceptions today is that AI is only for people in technology. But every major tool in history, from calculators to computers, became powerful only when ordinary people learned how to use them. AI is following the same path. Section 1. Using AI for digital services. Many businesses today need help writing content, organizing information, researching ideas, and improving productivity. AI allows individuals to deliver these services faster and more efficiently, even as beginners. The value is not in the tool. The value is in knowing how to apply it to real needs. Section 2. Using AI to improve existing skills. The smartest way to use AI is not to replace what you already know. It is to amplify it. Students can produce better academic work. Technicians can design and analyze faster. Professionals can complete tasks in less time with greater accuracy. AI becomes a multiplier of skill. Section 3. Using AI for learning high-value skills. Faster. In the past, learning a new skill could take years. Today, AI can guide practice, explain mistakes, and accelerate understanding. This allows people to move from learning to earning much faster than before, if they approach it with discipline. Section 4. Why opportunity is open. Right now, we are in a transition period. Most people are still observing. Very few are actively adapting. And in every transition like this, those who start early build the strongest advantages. Position. Your platform. Making money with AI is not about shortcuts. It is about learning how to think differently, work intelligently, and apply tools responsibly. This channel is dedicated to helping you build that mindset and those practical abilities, step by step. Because the goal is not just to keep up with the future, it is to be ready for it.
If this video inspired you, hit subscribe and join us here at I&MAI Vision Hub, where artificial intelligence meets inspiration. The future is not a threat, it's an invitation.